The 2025 Toyota Motorhome is finally here. Is this the perfect adventure companion for your next road trip? Let's find out. First things first, the design. Toyota has struck the perfect balance between rugged and refined. The sleek, aerodynamic lines give it a modern look, while the reinforced chassis promises durability for all your off-road escapades. It's not just about looks, though. Toyota's new lightweight composite panels help improve fuel efficiency, which is impressive for a vehicle of this size. Now, let's talk performance. Under the hood, Toyota has equipped this beast with a 3.5-liter V6 hybrid engine that delivers 300 horsepower. The motorhome isn't just powerful, it's also remarkably fuel efficient, averaging around 22 miles per gallon. Whether you're cruising down highways or tackling winding mountain roads, the all-wheel drive system ensures stability and control. The adaptive suspension smooths out bumps, making long journeys far less tiring. Inside, the Toyota Camper Motorhome is a game changer. The spacious, well-lit cabin feels more like a luxury apartment on wheels. It features an intelligent layout with a fully equipped kitchenette, a cozy living space, and a queen-size bed that folds away effortlessly. Smart storage solutions make sure you can pack all your essentials without cluttering the space. One highlight? The retractable solar panels on the roof, which can power everything from your lights to the compact fridge. That means more off-grid adventures. Safety hasn't been overlooked either. Toyota's Safety Sense suite includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and blind spot monitoring. Plus, the 360-degree camera system makes parking this big rig a breeze, even in tight spots. Today's standout feature is the integrated smart home system. Control lighting, temperature, and even security through your smartphone or voice commands. It's all about making your journey as comfortable and convenient as possible. With a starting price of $85,000, the 2025 Toyota Camper Motorhome offers tremendous value. It's not just a vehicle, it's a lifestyle upgrade. As always, thanks for tuning into Auto Insider. Stay with us because tomorrow we'll be exploring a brand new ride that might just redefine luxury in a whole new way. See you then.